Alright, I'm gonna get 3 guns unloaded on me. BB guns, right in the ass. It's gonna hurt really bad.
This is gun number 1.
Yeah.
This is gun number 2. And this is gun number 3.
Alright, Nicole wanted me to do a video, so here it is.
Shoot him, you dickhead.
Shit. Look at me. That was awesome.
Hey, pull your boxers down. I want to see your ass.
Ah!
Hey, do you want to have anal sex now?
No.
Yeah, how about this? I mean, you got shot 3 times. It'll be fun. It won't hurt or anything. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Here it is. Yeah, no. You can stop it. Ah! Ow!
You didn't stop it, dude.